Top 5 Best Arcade Buttons. Number 1. Hickick Arcade Buttons. The joystick of this kit is super adjustable. This makes the joystick more user-friendly and comfortable. Features: easy and comfortable, highly authentic, smooth and shiny, highly reliable. Number 2. EGStarts Arcade Buttons. Different kits work with a different operating system. This kit allows you to use it with any operating system. Features: useful parts, perfect for every OS, beautiful, attractive. Number 3. Hickick Arcade Buttons, Windows. This kit includes an easy feature of USB encoding, which makes it much more comfortable to use. Feature: fighting game friendly, LED illuminated, optical clarity, durable and reliable. Number 4. Canker Arcade Buttons. Every time you want only things related to gaming quality. If this is the case, then this kit is a fit for you. Features: decorative, beautiful, USB encoding, versatile features. Number 5. EGStarts Arcade Buttons, 2-player. Playing for a long time can warm your kits up. It is the perfect LED kit arcade PC games DIY choice. Features: exquisite parts selection, compatible with every OS, perfect, user-friendly.